start with your organization. Talk about your organization. Let me just get my text here. So, yan. Danny, welcome sa ating episode na wala akong title dito eh. Pero usapan natin yung ano mo, yung iyong organization. You mentioned this, di ba?
Oo, oo.
At ano pangalan ng organization ninyo?
Sa atin.
Sa atin. Uy, ang galing ah. What is that in English?
Pero, ah, ours, yung literal translation, to us.
To us. Wow, okay.
Pero sa atin, kasama ang word. So, one word lang.
Sa atin. Okay. So, one word lang siya. Sa atin. Yan,
Yan,
ganyan.
yan, yan.
Ayan. So, ano ang adhikain? What is the goal? Layunin. What is the goal of
La,
sa atin?
paano sa
What's your goal? Goal.
layunin?
Layunin, adhikain, that is goal.
Ah,
Goal.
okay.
What is the goal of is it a foundation?
Oh, foundation. Kasi
Of,
hindi ang business.
so it's a non-profit.
Oo,
Non-profit.
oo.
Is it, they call it, some people call it social enterprise. Is that correct?
Oh, pwede yan.
Pwede, no? So, foundation,
Social, yeah,
social
pwedeng
enterprise.
social enterprise. Kasi yung social enterprise, may business pero may social mission.
May social. Meron kayong ganon.
Merong, oo.
So, sa atin. So, ano ang layunin ng foundation na sa atin?
Ang layunin namin, paano sasabihin sa Tagalog?
Sige, go ahead. In English, translate na lang natin.
Sige, ang layunin namin is to basically bring the community together.
Mm.
Ibang cultures, ibang social classes, um, ibang finances, kahit ano. Yung yung whole goal is to bring different communities together.
Mm.
And then how we do it is ibang klase ng events. So may basketball events, um, paano sasabihin recently?
Kamakailan.
Oh, oh.
Nung nakaraan. You could say, nung nakaraan.
nung, nung kaaraan?
Nakaraan. I'll write it down.
Nakaraan.
Noong nakaraan.
Nakaraan.
Last time, last time.
Noong nakaraan, okay, noong nakaraan, may um, may block party event
Oh,
kami
wow. Ano yan?
sa Quezon City or sa
Anong
um,
street? May street eh, di ba? Nabanggit mo.
Street Kohi, ang coffee shop. Yun ang
Yun.
location
Hindi, I
sa
mean yung street, yung kalye mismo, pangalan ng kalye.
oh, Mayaman.
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 O kasi kaya gusto
Alam
kong
mo yan?
sabihin, alam ko yun, tsaka yung mga nakikinig sa atin, baka malapit sila dyan. Next time ba dyan pa rin? Sa Mayaman Street?
Ah, maybe.
Oo,
Hindi
di
ko
ba?
alam. Kasi
Oo.
gusto ko may ibang locations.
Okay lang.
Kasi may yung attendees galing sila sa Las Piñas,
Oo.
Cavite.
Layo. Sa South.
Oo.
Oo.
Yeah. So, QC ang layo.
Layo. Tama. So, saan mo gustong ilagay? Where do you wanna put
Siguro
ilagay ang event? Saan mo
yung
idadaos?
mm,
Idadaos
I
is
think
where
yung middle ground.
middle ground. O, sa
Uh,
middle ground is gitna. Sa
Gitna.
gitna. Sa
Sa
gitna.
gitna. So, siguro Makati.
Makati.
Makati
Middle.
or
Okay.
pwede Taguig. Pero I think
Taguig.
Makati. Mas
Uy,
magandang
pag
Makati.
Taguig kasi baka mahirapan yung iba, di ba?
Oo. Kasi may attendees din sa QC. So,
Hmm.
mas maganda kung malapit pa sa MRT din.
Oo, yan. Mismo. Sakto, eksakto. So, sa gitna, Makati. Tama. Makati, sa gitna, yung taga-South, okay lang.
Makati.
Taga-QC, okay lang. Ayun.
Ano din? Ortigas?
Ortigas, malapit lang din.
Okay.
So, ang ganda nung ano, ang ganda nung adhikain. Oh, 'yun yung mga words natin dito sa episode, adhikain, oh, 'di ba nga baka ngayon lang nila narinig. Adhikain, layunin, the goal, 'di ba?
Oo.
Ayan. Pagbuklurin. Actually, to bring together, yung you mentioned that word earlier,
Oo.
pagbuklurin. Buklod.
Buklod.
Pagbuklod. Hindi mo masyadong maririnig to. Pero to bring together, that's to bring together.
Ah, okay.
Bring together.
So
Together.
buklod is bring together.
Pagbuklurin. Pagbuklo. Pagbuklodin. Pagbuklodin. Or pagbuklurin. Some would say pagbuklurin. Some would say pagbuklodin. Let's stick with the rin.
Okay.
Pagbuklurin. Pero pwedeng yan. Iba-iba kasi yan ng iba-ibang speaker. Di ba?
Okay. So pagbuklo rin
To
ang
bring together.
community, ang
Oh,
lahat ng community.
oh, you could use that. Pagbuklurin. Di ba? Next time, pag may ano. Bring
Yeah.
together. Let's bring together the community. Tapos, sasabihin mo yung Tagalog part, pagbuklurin natin. Oh, di ba?
Ah, yeah.
Kasi may
Pagbuklo
mga
rin
may
natin.
mga English speakers na katulad mo na gusto rin matuto. So, through you, matututo sila sa'yo, di ba?
Oo, oo.
Ikaw natututo ka rin at the same time.
Tama.
Ayun. Ano naman ang highlights ng event?
Ang highlights.
Mm.
Meron ng meron kami ang Nigerian chef.
Wow!
So na ooh, parang sasabihin grill.
Grill. Grill pa rin.
Oh, grill.
Ihawan, ihawan.
Ah,
Grill.
iwan.
Grill is ihawan. O, 'di ba? Ihawan. Bina-barbecue. Oh.
Oh, bina-barbecue
Mm.
niya ang ah, parang parang yung pork,
Baboy.
parang hindi
Karne ng
baboy.
baboy.
Actually, it was beef.
Ah,
Yung
baka.
pangalan niyan, suya.
Ah, suya.
Suya ang ang African barbecue.
Ah,
Pero
oh, so resto
it's
to,
like,
resto.
yeah, uh,
Nice.
or no, suya isn't the resto. It's the actual name. Just like
Ah,
just like how we have
isaw.
adobo or yeah.
Isaw, ganyan. Isaw is the intestine, eh, 'di ba? Are you
Oo.
familiar?
Oo, oo.
Intestine of the chicken or intestine of
Natik nat
the pig.
natikman ko
Oo.
ang
So
isaw.
suya is the name. Suya. Is,
Yeah.
is this correct?
Yep, that's correct.
Yan yung pangalan ng delicacy
Oo.
nung
Pero
pagkain.
it's just, yeah, beef, grilled beef, nagtin ng slice.
Uy, mukhang
Tapos ang maanghang.
nakakaanghang,
Oo.
spicy. Oo. Sa hindi nakakaalam kung ano yung maanghang, spicy. Maanghang, sarap.
Tapos kasama ng ibang vegetables, cucumber, tomato,
Wow. Parang skewers,
sibuyas.
gano'n. Oo.
Oo, oo.
Skewers nakatusok, 'di ba?
Oo.
Nakatusok po ay tuhog, tinuhog na karne.
Tuhog.
Is skewers. I mean, it is when you tuhog is when you uh put as put the stick through the meat. You put the
Oh,
stick through the meat, it's called tuhog.
it's the action.
The action, yes.
Okay.
And the action, and it's also what it's called tinuhog. Remember that lechon? Yung lechon?
Mhm.
There is a bamboo stick, 'di ba? From the mouth to the
Oo.
other side of the pig.
Oo.
It's roasted pig, lechon, 'di ba? So tinuhog 'yon ng kawayan. It was punctured. It was punctured
Ah,
using a
okay.
bamboo stick, tinuhog. Yung tawag
Tinuhog.
do'n, tinuhog. Let's write that down para may matuto sa atin, tinuhog, tinuhog.
Tinuhog.
Sorry, T. It's just me,
Okay.
uh,
Tinuhog.
typing it incorrectly. Tinuhog. Uh, Like, remember, Dracula put a stake through the heart, something like that,
Oh yeah.
through a stick through the meat, yan, tinuhog. So, masarap naman.
Oo, sarap. Tapos meron din, meat pies, parang empanada,
Yun, empanada. Paborito ko yung ano,
pero Nigerian version.
Nigerian version.
Oo.
Yung I'm not sure if you're familiar with the Jamaican patty. In
Oo, alam ko yun.
meron yung pinatubo, yung mga gano'n. Parang
Oo,
gano'n
oo.
siya, nagugutom tuloy ako. Tinuok
Pero mas
patty 'no,
mas, meatier? Paano sasabihin?
meatier,
Meatier.
mas maraming laman,
Oh, mas maraming
mas
laman.
malaman, meatier, let's write
Yeah.
that down. So, meatier, mas malaman, meatier, mas malaman, maraming laman.
Okay. Laman is meat?
Laman is meat, whether it's beef or whether it's pork or baboy,
Okay.
that's laman. Laman ng baboy, laman ng baka.
Okay.
Ano ang paborito mo dun? Naging paborito mo? Nagkaroon ka ba ng paborito?
Paborito sa
Sa suya? Kasi 'di ba mukhang maraming iba-ibang klase siya, eh, 'di ba? Tama ba o isang
ah,
klase lang yun?
hindi. I think yung suya is just the thin thin sliced beef
Okey.
grilled. So,
Oh.
I think. Pero don't
So yung
quote me.
yung laman lang yun, yung okey lang, yung laman lang mismo. Ko-korek na lang tayo nung mga nakikinig sa'tin, okey lang yun. So, bukod diyan sa pagkain na suya na yan, ano pa ang naging highlight ng event?
Um, Anong ibang highlight?
Oo, ano pa ang
Oh yeah, meron din kami, ilan DJs? Maraming DJs.
uy,
Ah,
tech
ano
music
dito?
ba, techno?
Walo.
Wow,
Walo.
ang laki ang
Ang
laki ng
grabe ng
lugar.
DJs.
Pero 'pag may DJ na isa 'di ba siya isa lang ta's papalit
Oo.
siya,
Isang hour lang.
1 hour, so 8 hours yung event, tama?
Oo.
Wow,
Mula, alas mula wait, tama 'yan?
tama
Mula
mula
mula, um,
12:00,
actually hindi, ah,
1:00, 1 PM,
12, anong noon?
12:00,
12,
tanghali,
okay.
mula
Oh, yeah,
tanghali,
okay.
'yan, mula tanghali at
Mula tanghali
hanggang
hanggang, alas
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 7,
8,
alas
alas
8,
8.
mula tanghali hanggang 8:00 ng gabi o mula 12:00 ng tanghali hanggang 8:00 ng gabi. Ang haba,
Oo. Pero next time, yung starting time siguro 3:00.
3:00 kasi ang init,
3:00
eh, 'di ba
tanghali.
mainit sobra.
Oo, oo. Pero
Tapos
may shade.
may shade.
May shade sa street coffee. Meron din sa loob. May al fresco, tsaka
Oh,
may loob ng coffee shop.
ayan. Ay, ito. So, talon tayo konti. Ano yung next event? Ano ang tema ng susunod na event?
Actually, may collaborative event sa October 24
Uy, malapit
at
na.
October 26. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, sulat natin
2 weeks.
para 2 weeks from now. Uy, ang bilis na. October 24 tsaka 26, 'no?
Oo.
Ano ang
Friday tapos Sunday.
Friday and Sunday? Anong October sa Tagalog, Filipino?
Hindi ko alam 'yan.
Oktubre.
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 Oktubre,
Oktubre. Let's
okay.
write it here para may matutunan din sila, Oktubre. At the same time, kung nakikinig sila, nasa Pilipinas kayo, pasyal kayo dito. Dito at ang foundation, ang organization is sa atin. Pasyal
Oo.
tapos kontakin niyo si Danny. Mamaya bibigay natin yung ano mo, Kung okey lang sa'yo, yung iyong contact info kung okey lang sa'yo and I'll also put it on the description if you like, pero
Sige, puwede.
kung okey lang sa'yo.
Puwede
Para
yung Instagram namin?
oo, puwede mamaya pag-usapan natin sa
Okay,
'pag
perfect.
patapos na tayo kasi makakatulong 'to lalo na dun sa mga taong gusto ng community,
Oo,
naghahanap ng mga katulad na events na sa atin, 'di ba?
oo,
Nakakatulong.
tama.
So, ito October, mga nakikinig, kung nasa Pilipinas po kayo lalo na kung nasa Metro Manila kayo, dalo kayo. Dalo is attend, dalo,
Lalo?
dumalo o dalo. Let's write that down, dumalo, umattend, dalo, dumalo, attend,
Dumalo.
dumalo o dalo is attend, dumalo, attend.
Dalo is short or
Dalo is attend, but then the act of attending is
dumalo.
attended,
Okay,
dumalo. If you will attend is dadalo.
okay.
If you attended, it's also dumalo. So attended, and then dalo. Let's put that here, dalo. Attend. Dadalo will attend. Dumalo is attended. How about attending? What is attending?
Ah, hindi.
Yes, you're almost there. You could actually use
Dumadalo?
this. Yes. Ang galing, dumadalo. So that means you have heard it before or already know the rules, 'di ba?
Oo.
'Yun. Ayun, sa mga nakikinig nga pala, if you wanna have an intensive Tagalog Filipino learning, you can join us on patreon.com/learn Tagalog Filipino. You can become a member and you can choose to get the higher tier. You can actually get 3 times a week of practice with that higher tier. So, yun. Pili na lang kayo doon. So, balik tayo dito.
Sige.
Self-promotion na naman. I-promote natin ang ano sa atin, di ba? So, dalo kayo sa October 24, dalo kayo. Attend kayo, dalo kayo. Di ba?
Oo.
Ayan. Tapos, ano ang tema nito? Kung dadalo sila, ano ang tema? May idea ka na? Anong
Anong
theme?
tema?
Tema.
Theme,
Theme.
theme.
Tema. Theme. Let's write that down. Tema. Tema is theme. What's the theme of the event?
Itong tema, actually iba ng tema kesa sa block
Uy,
party.
exciting yan. Mukhang puwede na ako pumunta dito, ah. Ano 'to, ano 'to, ano 'to?
Pero itong, ano 'to, it's a Nigerian kasi October 1st it was Nigerian Independence Day.
Oh, okey.
So, this is with kasama yung chef, yung same chef,
Oh, okey.
and
Tapos yung
it's
suya.
a seven course dinner.
Uy,
Parang private dinner sa Paco, Manila.
uy, Paco, Manila.
Malapit,
So, malapit lang
malapit
ako
mo?
diyan. Oo, malapit
Okay.
ako diyan. Hindi, malapit ako pero hindi kasing actually pareho lang, eh. Kung sa Quezon City, pareho lang yung layo niya. Pero
Pareho.
kasi 'pag Manila, mas accessible sa'kin. Mas
Okay.
accessible. Puwedeng kung Sunday ba 'yan, Sunday,
Friday o
Friday or Sunday, o kung gano'n
oo,
man, accessible 'yan sa mga taga Manila. O so ano yang course na 'yan? Mukhang mahal 'to, ah.
oo. So,
Dinner kasi,
yung
dinner 'no?
dinner,
Dinner,
oo.
hapunan.
Pero may ibang or may art, parang art exhibit din.
Uy, maganda 'to,
So,
art
parang full
exhibit.
experience kasi gusto
Oo,
kami
gusto namin,
mag-introduce.
gusto
Gusto
namin.
namin mag-introduce ng Nigerian cultures through arts, through
Oo,
yung kain,
pagkain, oo,
oo, yung pagkain. So, yung first hour, may social hour.
okey.
Parang, or cocktail,
Introducing
oo,
Nigerian food,
may
okey.
yung social hour, there's gonna be cocktails, tsaka you could browse through different arts. Tapos, yung dinner time, um,
Hapunan.
ah, hapunan.
Mm.
Yung hapunan, what time? Alas 6.
10:00. Oh, gabi na.
6. Alas 6.
Alas 6.
6.
Ika-6 ng gabi. Oh, 'di ba? Wala namang gumagamit nun actually. So, 6:00 ng gabi.
Oo.
6:00. Ayan, 6:00.
And then, pero yung cost,
Yan,
3,500 pesos.
500. 500?
3,500.
Wow, there you go. That's what I'm afraid of.
Oo nga. I was like,
Hindi, pero
do
I
the
mean,
last one.
oo, yung last one sabi ko medyo mahal pero puwede naman. Pero pero siyempre iba naman yung crowd dun, 'di ba? Iba naman yung crowd.
Oo.
Tsaka exhibit siya, eh. Siyempre iba ang crowd. Okey lang naman din yun. Actually, it's still affordable for those who are from the States, for those who are from, another country, that's still affordable. That is how much in dollars? 3,500 ba? 3,500?
Uh, 3,500 siguro sa US 70.
70, oh, still affordable, 'di ba?
70, oo. Mura po yan for 7-course
Oo,
dinner. Kasi,
7 course dinner,
kasi sa
pino.
US, hindi ko alam yan. Siguro 150,
Oo, kita
200
mo?
US dollar.
On top of that, you have an exhibit to attend, 'di
Oo.
ba? Makakadalo ka dun.
May
So,
interactive experience kasama
meron pang
yung
gano'n.
dinner.
When you say interactive experience, what is it exactly? Ano ano 'to? Ano 'tong
Ah,
experience na 'to?
may ibang documentaries na
About?
Nigerian culture, yung
Ah,
country, tsaka um, actually hindi ko alam yung full details kasi that's the yung chef
yung chef ang bahala dun.
curating. Oo, oo.
Oo, okey. Ito lang,
Pero
curious lang ako bigla.
sige.
Was Nigeria oppressed like the Philippines? Were they oppressed? Sila ba ay
Oh, yes.
inapi? Oppressed is api, inapi. Were they maltreated? Inapi ba sila?
Hinapi,
Inapi, api.
oppress,
Oo.
happy,
Api is, this word is api, api. Oppressed,
happy.
just like us Filipinos. Mga api ba sila? Were they oppressed?
Oo.
Oh, so
Um,
that's why.
yung Independence Day, only October 1st, 1960.
Okay lang, no?
So,
And
recently.
sino ang nang api sa kanila? Who oppressed them?
Uh, yung British.
British, okay.
Oo.
Well, I don't I
Pero,
don't want to talk about that. I don't want to go into detail, but you can look back in history, 'di ba? Spanish,
may history.
British, Americans, wala, we cannot hide that.
Oo.
That's part of history. Oh, 'di ba? So, 'yun lang, ganun talaga eh.
Yeah, it's
It's
good
like
to
that.
know.
Yeah, it's good to know. It's just
Important
part
to
of
learn.
history.
Oo.
Pero pupunta tayo dito para hindi we're going there. You are going there not to reminisce the bad times but to look at it, tignan natin 'yan in a better way, 'di ba? And for the
Oo.
future 'yan eh kasi we also need to look back. Kailangan magbalik tanaw tayo in
Oo.
order for us to face the future. Magbalik tanaw para maharap natin, to face the future. Maharap natin ang kinabukasan. Future is kinabukasan. Ayan.
Okay.
Mhm.
Gusto ko
Ang
yan.
ganda niyan. Future is kinabukasan. Kinabukasan. Future.
Kinabukasan.
Kinabukasan. Bukas is tomorrow.
Kinabukasan.
Bukas
Oh,
is
bukas.
tomorrow.
Oo.
So from there, kinabukasan is future. Ang kinabukasan ng mga bata. The future of the children. Kinabukasan ng mga bata. Ayan. So ang ganda nung nyo, nung inyong event. Yan. Tapos magsisimula siya ng 3:00 ng hapon, tama ba? 3:00 ng hapon.
Itong event,
Oo, yung event.
3:00. Oh, hindi. I think, ah, alas 5.
5:00, okey.
5:00 yun ang social hour, tapos yung
Ah,
hapunan 6:00.
6:00. So, 1 hour, isang oras na
Oo.
social hour, ayan. Tapos interested ako dun sa paintings 'no, parang nakita
Oo.
ko sa isip ko, "Uy, may mga paintings 'to," kasi interested ako diyan. Sino yung mga artist dito? Filipino ba, Nigerian ba, American or
Yung paintings, iba na iba. So,
iba when you mean
may
iba na iba,
like
iba-iba?
it's very different. Yeah,
Different,
or
okey.
different types. So,
Different,
may
iba-iba. So iba-iba,
iba-iba. Yeah, iba-iba.
iba-iba. So when you say iba-iba, is it nature? Is it like, ah, kalikasan, nature, kalikasan ba 'yan o abstract?
Um,
Abstract, wala akong maisip na Filipino translation, eh. Abstract ba 'yan?
Siguro all of it is hmm,
The artists are Filipino or American or Nigerian?
both. May
Ah,
Filipino tsaka Nigerian.
uy,
Pero
nice.
yung paintings and art, kasi meron din poetry.
Uy, talaga? May poetry
Oo.
reading?
Oo, or at least may, kasi yung concept is each corner there's gonna be different art showcases.
Hmm.
Paintings, poetry, readings, and yun ang interactive part.
Nice.
Kasama na yung dinner, meron din
Oo,
poetry, meron din parang short ng presentation.
okey. So,
Ah,
let's go to the poetry 'no, naging interesado ako diyan.
sige, sige.
Ano ba 'yan, English poetry, Filipino poetry, Nigerian poetry, ano ba?
English at Nigerian.
English and Nigerian. So,
Oo.
yung
Kasi
magbaba
lahat lahat ng poets Nigerian.
oh, nice. So, it's maganda pala 'no, I mean, social gathering talaga siya. Ngayon
Oo.
oo. Ngayon, since nabanggit mo 'yan, first time kong ma-encounter 'to na meron palang community of Nigerians in the Philippines.
Actually,
Ay,
ang dami ng
madami.
yeah,
Talaga?
oo. Oo. Yung African community dito, malaki.
Talaga? Ay, when you say
Oo.
malaki, how big? Gaano kalaki ang malaki?
Um,
How big is big? Gaano kalaki ang malaki? How
hmm,
many population are we talking about?
good question.
'Di ba? May kasi
Um,
interesting, eh.
hindi ko alam kung how or yeah, hindi ko alam how big, pero ang dami kasi most of them nasa Parañaque.
Talaga? So, there's a
Parañaque,
community in
Las Piñas.
mm.
Oo, and then hindi or may ibang African countries,
Talaga?
Eritrean, Cameroon, Nigeria, ano pa,
Wow,
Ethiopia. So,
I didn't know that. Hindi ko
yeah.
alam 'yan. Napaka-interesante 'no? So, Las Piñas, Parañaque, they are there.
Oo.
When
Oo.
we say big, is it in the thousands? Say 5,000, 10,000? How many?
Yeah, siguro. Siguro sa thousands.
Talaga? And are
Um,
they students? Mga estudyante ba sila?
oh, students, workers din, call centers, sa call center.
Talaga? Wow!
Oo. Ano pa? Most of the time, students, like
Nice.
doctor
Oo,
students,
mga nagdodoktor. I've
oo,
heard of that.
yung medical,
Oo.
medical, nursing, um, pero kung hindi student, I think they just work here, whether it's sa call center,
Talaga?
DJs, sa art scene,
That's nice.
model, minsan may models. Yeah, it's kung if you parang sasabihin if you visit,
'Pag bumisita ka, bisita.
pag
Pumasyal. Pasyal. Let's use pasyal.
pasyal,
Pumasyal. Pasyal
ano,
is leisurely. Bisita is most likely if someone is sick, bibisitahin mo, you visit, okay? But
Okay.
bisita is also, it doesn't mean that you don't use it just for just for visiting someone who is sick. But when you visit, it's more formal. But pasyal is more leisurely, pasyal. So
Okay.
in this sense, we'll use pasyal.
Okay, sige. So, kung pumasyal mo
Ka,
sa
ka,
BGC,
kung
oh,
pumasyal.
ka.
In
Kung
this case,
pumasyal ka,
kung papasyal, we'll use the conjugated form for uh, will visit. Kung papasyal, let's put it here. Kung papasyal. This is
kung
future
papasyal
tense. Kung
ka.
papasyal. If you will visit papasyal.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay lang, okay lang. Kung papasyal ka
Yes. Sa BGC.
sa BGC,
Yes.
um, may soccer games.
Oh,
May soccer games, lahat sila African. Hindi ko alam
talaga?
yung country, pero
Wow.
oo.
Ayan. Ito ang natutuwa ako. Since they are here, okay? Since they are here, do they want to study? Do they study Tagalog? That's a nice
Oh,
question.
actually ang galing ng Tagalog nila.
Talaga? Oh,
Mas
kasi,
mas
mas-
galing kaysa sa akin.
oh, talaga? That means their language is similar to Tagalog. 'Di ba?
Oo,
Their
I think so.
syllabication is close to Tagalog. Kasi ganun eh. 'Di ba? When you listen to
Oo,
African languages, natutuwa ako eh. Sometimes when I watch a documentary, parang yung syllabication is similar to us. 'Di ba?
oo.
Wow, ang
Yeah.
galing ano? Magaling pa sa yung Managalog. Talaga? Nakakatuwa naman 'yun, 'no? Na-excite ako do'n
Yeah.
kasi
Kasi even yung accent nila, mas maganda kaysa sa American or
talaga? Oo nga eh.
oo,
Parang I remember there is this TV personality. He's called Zombie. Si Zombie. Are you
zombie.
familiar with him? He's Nigerian. He used to
Paano
be
ang spelling yan?
Zombie. Let's look at his picture or video on YouTube. Zombie. I'll go to YouTube first. It Bulaga. He was
Comedian
a
pa siya?
Yes, he's a comedian. He's Nigerian, I
I
believe.
think I might
You might
know.
have met him. I'm not sure if he's still here. Pero let's find out if he's still here. Ang galing magtagalog noon. Ang galing managalog si Zombie. I saw him personally here in the barangay.
Ah, okay.
Zombie. Because Eat Bulaga went here. Eat Bulaga. It's the noontime show that I was talking about.
Oo.
Ito oh, I'll show this to you. This is Zombie.
Ah, okay. Ibang person.
This
Silang
one.
ilaw, ano, naputol. Wala silang ilaw, kumuha ka ng kandila. Uy, baka mamaya,
Can you hear? Can you hear
Oo,
him speak?
oo.
hindi mo ako makita sa loob.
See, his Filipino is very
Yeah.
good, no?
Baka mamaya, wala ako dyan. Kapag pumasok ako dyan, mawala ako dyan. Ayaw ko pumasok. Ilaw muna, ilaw, ilaw.
Ayaw daw niya pumasok. Mawawala daw siya doon sa loob.
Ilaw, talaga nga ng kandila. Sige, sige, ito na lang. Yung... Tara na, tara na. Tara na, tara. Ilaw, 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 ilaw. Huwag ka malala. Kahit di ka na...
Ang galing, no? Ang galing niya
Ang
magtagalog, no? Sobra. Nakakabilib, sobra. Ang galing nitong mga to. Ayun. So, yun. Nakakatuwa, no? Now, I did not know that there is a big community of Nigerians in Taguig and, what's that? Taguig,
Parañaque.
Parañaque and
Mostly
Parañaque.
Parañaque at Las Piñas.
Las Piñas.
Oo. Taguig, I think it's just for meetup para sa I don't know, pasyal nila.
Ah, Las Piñas.
Siguro. Pero yeah, Las Piñas tsaka Parañaque may African community doon.
Galing, no? Parañaque and Las Piñas. Galing. Nagulat ako do'n. Nagulat po ako do'n. So most of them are students and workers.
Students and workers.
Workers.
Yeah, a lot of them have been here for more than 5 years,
Wow.
8 years. Siguro yung students mas
Oo, kasi they
mas
they
baba.
would stay here for 4 years, 'di ba?
Oo.
And then sometimes they don't finish it
Yeah.
at the right time. And
Oo.
they have to extend for a year or two, 'di ba?
Oo.
And then
Oo.
they have to find a job. And of course, they know how to speak English and they can work for a call center. Wow, that's nice.
Tama.
Ang
Yeah.
galing, no? Yun, kumbaga, i-connect the dots mo na lang eh. 'Di ba?
Right,
The
right.
reason why you get that job is because you're educated, you can speak English. Ang galing, trilingual tong mga to.
Oo.
Filipino, English, and of course their native tongue. Ang galing, no? Galing. Kakaiba. Na ako ay namamangha. Let's put that word, mangha. You are familiar with the word mangha?
Hindi.
Amazed.
Mangha.
Mangha. Mangha.
Oh, hindi ko nakita yung
Hindi
slide.
mo nakikita, sorry.
Okay lang.
Ayan,
Mangha.
namamangha. I was
Okay.
typing this, Paranaque, Las Piñas.
Oh, okay.
Ayan. So I had to use Alt 164. I remember for back in the day, you need
Oh,
there.
para sa Enye.
Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to put that enye. Mangha, amazed, mangha, manghang, mangha is really amazed. Mangha, amazing, nakakamangha, nakamamangha.
Ah,
Ayan,
nakakamangha.
nakamamangha, nakamamangha. Amazing. Yan. Kakatuwa naman yun, no? So, lahat ng DJs, Nigerian.
Hindi lahat, pero
May Pinoy.
may
Oh, may
may
American.
Pinoy, hindi ko alam 'yan. Kung meron,
Pero mostly
konti lang.
Nigerian. Okay. So, sa
Oo.
8, siguro may 2, 3. Ang galing, ano?
Oo, yung DJs mostly Pinoy,
Mm.
pero there is yung DJ community Nigerian or African.
Mm.
Hindi ko alam yung kung ibang countries, pero definitely Nigerian.
And so, these DJs are also students / DJs. Tama? They work
Tama.
part-time.
Either some are or some were.
Okay. And then the artists are also students. 'Di ba?
Oo, yung
They are artists and they are also students. Might be medical students, tama ba ako? Am I picturing it right? Ganun
yeah,
ba?
maybe that
Okay.
might be.
Okay. So I'm getting the picture. These are young people. These are really young
Oo,
people.
the
Oh.
young people. Siguro 20s, 30s din. I think I've
Oh,
met
but they're 30,
30s.
if you're 30, it's still very young.
Oo, yeah. 20s
But
and 30s.
very young 'yon. Kasama yan sa youth eh.
Oo.
Lalo na ngayon. In the old days, back in the day, if you're 30, you're old. Mga 60s,
Oo.
70s, 80s. But now, if you're 30, you're still very
Youth pa.
young. Oo,
Okay, that's
youth
good.
pa yun
Kasi
eh.
30 ako.
Okay lang yun. It's youth. You're part of the youth. Ka-youth yan. Ganun talaga. Kasi nagbabago ang panahon. Back in the day, when you're 30, you're considered an old person, di ba? I don't know
Oo.
if you know that. Pero back in the day, ganyan
Yeah.
talaga.
Oo.
Matanda. Matanda is old, by the way, guys. Old is matanda. Young is bata. Ayan. So
Bata.
yun, marami tayong na-unpack, no?
Oo.
Imbitahan mo sila ulit sa event which is October. Teka, baba natin. October. Hold on. So October, baba natin to. October. Ito guys, so October 24. This year, 2025. 'Di ba? Imbitahan mo sila sa event. So kung may nakikinig na interested, na pakinggan niyo po yung buong episode, nandiyan yung mga details. So hopefully na unpack natin na nailahad natin ang kabuuan ng event na darating. Meron bang title 'to? Meron bang
Oo nga.
title ang event?
Ah,
May pamagat.
Wazobia.
Wazobia. How do you spell that?
W-A-Z wait, teka. I don't want
Okay,
to
okay.
spell it wrong. Yeah. Wazobia.
Yan, Wazobia.
I could read. So,
Can you read it? Can you see it?
may ibang regions sa Nigeria or parang province. May
Oo.
ibang provinces sa Nigeria. So, the name itself, Wa, is Yoruba. That's one of
Ah,
the regions.
okay.
Zo is
Ah,
Hausa,
okay.
and Bia is Igbo, which means
So
come. So
this
this is a call
oh,
to gather, to celebrate, taste, and to feel Nigeria in its true
wow,
form.
nice. So Wazobia. It's
Uh-uh.
like it's like Wa is from a region, Zo is from another region, and Bia
Yeah.
come together. Wow, that's nice. We learned something new today.
Yeah. See,
Wazobia.
ibang culture, bringing community together.
Yun. Wazobia. And the chef who's the name what's the name of the chef again?
Chef Oba.
Safe chef again? Po?
Oba.
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 You and Chef Oba organize the whole thing. Tama ba?
Yes.
Ayan. So ito po si Danny, iniimbitahan kayo sa
Yes.
kanilang event October 24. Dalo kayo, attend kayo. Ayan, attend kayo, dalo. Dumalo kayo.
Dalo kayo.
Tapos katulad ng sinabi natin sa dulo ng ating pag-uusap ay ibibigay natin kung okay lang, kung meron kang contact information para makontak ka nila kung gusto nilang umattend
Oo,
sa
sige,
event
pwede,
ng
pwede.
Wazobia, October 24. Type natin, okay lang?
Okay yun.
Type natin ano ang contact info.
Siguro, I'll give you dalawa. Yung Instagram,
Okay, Instagram.
sa atin .co.
.co. Wow, you have a website.
Oo,
Atin.
hindi pa, hindi
Hindi
pa.
pa. Okay. Sa atin.co. This is a link, no? They could go there.
Instagram sa atin.co. Yun ang username namin.
Okay. So on Instagram pala, sorry. On Instagram, makahanap po natin, you could find Danny. She will be the one entertaining you. Ikaw nga ba, Danny, ang
Oo.
mag-entertain sa kanila?
Opo.
So hanapin natin si Danny. Okay?
And pwede din yung email ko
Email ni Danny, ano po yun?
sa atin community@gmail.com.
Correct my spelling if I'm wrong. Okay.
Tama
There
yan.
you go. Tama. Yan kontakin niyo si Danny para sa event na ito.
Yes,
Guys,
Wazobia.
kung gusto niyong makita,
Gang.
Wazobia, yan. Kung gusto niyong makita yung past events nandito sa atin or future events, may mga pictures na siguro yan, no, Danny, no?
Oo, oo.
Ayan. At syempre, bago tayo magsara, iimbitahan ko kayo sa ating Patreon, no? Kung gusto niyo akong suportahan, kasi ako lang naman ang gumagawa nito. Pero we are a community. O, di ba? Ako lang
Oo.
ang taga facilitate ang tinatawag na taga-pamahala ba? Hindi eh. Facilitate na lang. Ayoko nang isipin sa Tagalog yan. Basta at sali kayo, punta kayo sa Wazobia at kung nag-aaral kayo ng Filipino, punta kayo sa learntagalogfilipino.com or patreon.com/learntagalogfilipino at makakasama nyo kami ni Danny every Sunday to kung walang ginagawa ang bawat isa, sama-sama tayo dito sa learntagalogfilipino.com. Kung nag-aaral ka ng Filipino, if you're studying Filipino, you can do it. Kaya mo yan. Bye, Danny.
Oo, kaya. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Yep. Next time ulit.
Sige. Next
Yan.
time.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Salamat din.